Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks again for tuning in. Got something special for you as always. Today we got the James Cameron, also known as the Deepsea SeaDweller. This is the 44 mil. This is actually the previous generation. If I'm not mistaken, this is the 116660. Couple main differences from this model over to the new one. On the new one, the bracelet actually doesn't taper as much, so you can see that this tapers down. What you'll notice on the new ones is like the bracelet and the clasp will actually be the same size fully through, which just makes the watch a little bit bulkier, a little bit thicker for kind of what it is. I mean, it is a big piece at 44M. It is the largest Rolex that is made, of course, unless, you know, we're comparing to the titanium Deepsea Challenge that just came out in 50 mil. It'll be a while before we see one of those, but definitely keep posted until we get one. A couple things I love about this dial. The main feature is the blue to black faded dial. They call it D-Blue. Very beautiful, very unique. Used to be super hard to get. I'm actually not sure if it's that difficult because they are pumping out a lot of bigger watches. I noticed in Rolex, everyone's going a bit slimmer, a bit smaller. So you will find abilities with 44Ms such as, you know, the Deepsea, the Yachtmaster, and that's the only choices you have at the moment. Great watch, beautiful piece. If you are deep sea diving, this actually goes down to 3,900 meters, and it does have a escapement valve for the pressure. Of course, it has its unidirectional bezel to help keep all your diving time intact. Of course, you do have an additional ring lock system. So if you are deep diving that big, the pressure won't get in, the water won't get in. You'll be safe to use this as a tool watch. I don't know any divers. I think I've met one in my whole career who actually said they'd be using this to dive. If you are a diver using an expensive tool watch, drop us a comment, maybe send us a video. We'd love to hear or see more because we don't really see these out in the wild too often. So it'd be interesting to see who's actually using them for their purpose. When it comes to wrist presence with this watch, it is very stated, it is very large. So right away, if you're coming in the room, someone's going to see this. 10 out of 10. My personal bias on this, I love it. I wouldn't give it a full 10 because I do actually prefer the non-tapered bracelet, but definitely keep posted when we do our new review on the new model. You will see that, and maybe we could do a comparison video for you guys too. Overall though, great watch. I'll give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's available here today at Watchfinder. We actually got a couple in stock. So if you're interested, of course, don't forget to reach out. You can DM us. Don't forget to check our TikTok, actually. Our TikTok's blowing up like crazy. So we appreciate all that support, all the wonderful comments. You guys been reaching out, sending us videos, sending us pictures. Been really great. So let's keep that going. And don't forget to check us out. And more importantly, don't forget to buy something, okay?